into a sunny Tuesday here in Auckland, New Zealand finally. It's been pissing down for ages, so it's good to be able to get back out on the bike. This guy out. Oh, look at that, I'm getting pulled over. Hey man. Yeah, do I need to take it off?
No, I'm just going to hold it up on the chin guard.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, right. Alright man. I got pulled over because my black number plate is illegal. Anyway, what I was saying was I'm on my way to Triumph because I'm going to try out the Rocket 3, the brand new version, so 2024 model. It's like a special colorway black one or something Rob was saying, but it has a few changes, like slightly more horsepower and slightly more torque than the original one, which is insane. But I've never ridden any Rocket 3. I've never ridden the old one, never ridden the new ones, and I don't know what to expect. Yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to try one out, and Rob said I should come and take it for a ride, so that's what I'm doing. Let's go see if he's got this beast ready for me. Alright bro. See you soon. Here it is guys, 2024 Triumph Rocket 3 GT. This is a brand new one, literally. It has 17 kilometers on the clock. It's my first experience with a Rocket. I've never ridden one. But I'm just going to get on it and get out of here, and then we'll stop and have a look and walk around. Let's just get on the road. Oh, it feels odd with the more forward pegs. I feel like I'm sitting quite high. I mean, I did just get off my lowrider ST, so that could be it. First impressions, it feels large, and it doesn't feel like I'm sitting in the bike like a lot of other bikes. It feels like I'm sitting on top of it. Riding position is very comfortable so far. I could already tell I could ride this thing for you know, endless amount of time. Rob was saying this one doesn't have a quick shifter, but you can get one on it. I like the screen is adjustable as well. That's pretty cool. You can adjust the tilt of it. Really similar controls, like familiar controls to any other Triumph I've ridden pretty much. Same as like the Tiger or the street triples and stuff, speed triple, pretty similar. It's a very different riding position. Just, I don't know, it's very different to anything else, because it kind of feels sporty, but my legs are out in front, and yeah, just sitting on top of the bike. I let it warm up a bit before I give it some power. This is more about just getting a feel for a Rocket 3 for my first time, and seeing what this legend is all about. Yeah, I might just get it out on a highway first, seeing as it's just up around the corner. Got a nice gurgle to the exhaust when it's completely stock, so stock exhaust and everything, but it does have a nice kind of like pop and crackle when you're taking off, letting off the fuel. Really nice deep sounding exhaust. Holy shit. Oh, that wasn't even a full throttle, and this is just road mode. Man, that torque is crazy. I knew it would be I knew it would feel powerful. I think this bike has the most torque out of any motorcycle you can buy on the market that's like road legal. Wow. Far out. That's crazy. When it's like straight in the face, you can probably hear it on the action cam, which by the way is the DJI Osmo Action 4, not a GoPro anymore. I've moved away from those. Lots of wind. I know you could just put a touring windscreen on it, but it feels plenty comfortable, really relaxed. The seat is really nice. As far as ergonomics for my height, being 6'1", it's pretty much perfect. The mirrors are really nice. Triumph always does bar end mirrors really well. No vibrations that I'm picking up on in the bars or anything, or on my peg. Cruising at 110. I'm at like 2,500 RPM. Red lines looks like about 6.5, maxing out at 8,000. I'm gonna jump off the motorway. Oh, and that power is crazy. I'm gonna get around to some twisty roads and then I'll get back with you guys. Jeez, I've definitely never ridden a cruise or anything like this. Like my Harley is like nearly 2 litre. It doesn't feel anywhere near as quick as this, or torquey. I feel like it's probably obvious information right there. But wow, it really pulls you back. I think because it's so large and so heavy, I didn't expect it to kind of accelerate that quick, even though it has such a high torque number, but it just really does. I can see why it's one of those bikes that you just have to ride. I don't know why I avoided it for so long. I think just because it's not something that I would buy, like the style of bike. I can see why it's really impressive, you know, like engineering terms and just what Triumph have done with it, but it's not the style of bike that I could ever see myself on. Mind you, I did say that about Harleys, but you know, I never thought I'd be riding Harleys. When I rode the Triumph Tiger 1200, the new one, I felt a little bit of clunk from the drive shaft, like going back and forth on and off throttle. I don't feel like that. I don't feel that from this one. We've got Sport, Rider, Rain, Road. Let's go Sport mode. Jeez. Actually, you know what? While we're here in this mud pit, let's do a quick walk around of this thing. So, yeah, I think Rob was saying it's like a Storm version. That's the one. So it's got this nice little Storm badge here under the clear coat. Little label for the ride. Really nice details, like black engine, but with like machined side fins. A massive rear tire. Size is that 240mm 16. 240 wide rear. Nice big Brembo brakes. I do like those headlights. But yeah, I'd be getting like some flat bobber style bars on it, so you just kind of like staunched out leaning forward. That'd be sick. And maybe get some kind of cool looking screen on the front. Really premium bike. That's kind of what I would call it. Just a really, really premium motorcycle. Where's the oh, that's the pegs. Oh, that's cool. So the rider pegs fold out nicely, so it doesn't, like for the pillion passenger, so you can't even really see them. Just looks like part of the bike. Let's go find that little side road. I hope you guys can hear the kind of pops and crackles when I let off the accelerator. They're like subtle. Suspension feels nice, feels firm. It feels like a sporty touring bike in terms of how firm the suspension is. That's my best description of that. It's very easy to handle. Oh, that power is glorious. My riding position, like my back is basically perfectly upright. Man. This is definitely like if you wanted a cruise or something more relaxing, but you didn't want to sacrifice on the power and the speed, this is the bike. You know, I don't know where I'm going, so I'm just going to keep riding. Wow. Man. It really does go. Like, genuinely, it's a lot quicker than my Harley. And then you can just kind of chill and sit back and like ride normally. The fueling is really nice, like it's not snatchy or anything. I feel like I could just sit here in third, just cruise around, not even at 2,000 RPM. I don't feel like I need any other gear on roads like this. It is so torquey. I feel like it lost traction there a little bit. Surely not. This is actually really, really fun. The shaft drive really does it favors as well. Like, I couldn't imagine what this would be like with a chain on it. Well, I'm going to sum it up, because otherwise I'm just going to keep repeating the same stuff. I am amazed by this bike, more than I thought I would be. I definitely don't have anything bad to say about it, other than like style things that I would change for my personal self. It is a kind of bike that just has that. It just has that chill factor, but also you're not sacrificing at all when it comes to power, or even handling. It definitely handles better than any Harley I've ever ridden. So I'll wrap the video up here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope I don't ramble too much. I'll keep this one a little bit longer form, but otherwise, I'll see you in the next video real soon.